Yo, hello YouTube, it's Subham from back with another banger vlog. That was really too much energetic, but as you guys have, I am sure you guys have seen the title and the thumbnail. It's true that I'm gonna daily vlog this Ramadan. You guys might be wondering why and how. So here we go. Let's just first change the angle. You guys might be wondering why am I gonna vlog this Ramadan. So I just want to say that I'm taking few challenges. First challenge is daily vlogging in Ramadan, and it's very hard. Second challenge is to get more and more closer to Allah. And the third, the biggest challenge, but before I say that, I just want to give a big disclaimer out there. This isn't a fitness channel. I'm just a fitness freak. I just like that. It's one of my hobby. This is a car vlogging channel, and I'm documenting my life over here because I'm doing this for myself, not for money and fame. Because I want to be old and I want to see these videos and be like, I got that on video. So I love business, I love entrepreneurship. I'm an aspiring businessman, entrepreneur, photographer, automotive photographer. I just love many things, cinematography, videography, so much more. So I'm gonna document all that here, but for most of the time you guys have to expect car videos and vlogs. So just to say that this isn't a fitness channel, but now you guys are gonna see few fitness videos. So what's the fitness challenge? 1 month strict fitness and strict diet. That's the challenge, and I'm gonna daily vlog, and the series name is Tada! Fitness and Fasting. So I don't know why, but I'm like so much inspired by this one YouTuber called MN. I like calling him an MN. His name is Mumbaikar Nikhil. Like, my hairstyle is just like his. There are few flies over here, but just ignore it. Just ignore it. I am just speaking a lot faster, and I just want to say I'm not so camera comfortable yet and not so confident in front of the camera. Still young boy, so while speaking, I get stuck over here and there, and I misspell words and I pronounce them wrong. So just ignore all that. I'm trying my best, and daily vlogs are gonna be really fun. Okay, even though we are in a lockdown right now, but believe me, it's gonna be entertaining. So subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because I don't know when I'm gonna post daily vlogs. I'm thinking about 6 AM, but I'm not promising, but daily vlogs are gonna be there soon. And what else I have to say? Yeah, that's it. And car videos coming soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna post daily vlogs, so that's compulsory. Daily vlogs are gonna be there, but in middle there are gonna be surprise uploads anytime, any day, like related to car videos and stuff. Because in daily vlog, it's not gonna be a car video. It's not gonna be car videos, but car videos are gonna be there, but they're gonna be a surprise upload, so anytime. So that's why I'm saying you to turn on the bell notification. And today, inshallah, if all goes right, I'm gonna format my phone. Yep, I'm sacrificing it, but then I'm hoping for the best. And yeah, I need a secondary camera. My vlogging camera isn't enough. I need a phone for time-lapse and all that stuff. So, and because I have a professional gimbal too, and my camera isn't fitting on that, so I have to use my phone. So you guys might be wondering that why is Amir Afnan taking everything so seriously, daily vlogs, this, that. Because I think this is the perfect opportunity for all of us to execute our plans, and I love making videos on YouTube, and I guess this is the right time, because in lockdown we have so much opportunities, but we all are taking this all for granted, and we should use this time, because time is really precious, and we have a hell lot of time, to be honest. In Oman, in my country, the lockdown is till May 8, and I hope they don't extend it, because I have so many plans. But if they do, we are gonna plan something else surely. And yeah, believe me, for all the girls and the boys, the videos after this, all the daily vlogs, they are gonna be so fun, so entertaining, and you're gonna get a hell lot of knowledge. And believe me, I'm transforming my entire body only within a month, and I'm gonna show you guys all the process behind that, and you guys can do that too. It's all in home. You don't need to go out. You don't need any extra or external things, whatever. And I'm just saying, it's gonna be a hell lot of fun, this journey. And please like this video, subscribe, because I'm gonna produce, inshallah, and generate, inshallah, good content. And you guys are gonna watch it. So in return I just need likes and subscribers. And this Ramzan is so like for me, so it's like so emotional because I wanted to sit in Etikaf for 10 days but I cannot, unfortunately. And today is our first Taraweeh, and from tomorrow is first Roza start, means from tomorrow morning, early morning. So I'm gonna start the vlog tomorrow early morning. And yeah, today even Taraweeh is there, so it's a hell lot of stuff. I'm busy with I'm starting a new company finally. As I said, you guys, entrepreneur business stuff, that coming soon too. Let's just pray for me, everything goes as planned. And that's it for this video, guys. I don't want to make this long video. Hit this video a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family and relatives, say them to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, it's right on the screen. I'm gonna be active soon. I'm just gonna get my phone and I'm gonna get active, and inshallah, so I'm so much excited, and it's gonna be so much fun. Inshallah, very good quality vlogs coming out sooner. And my camera does not have time-lapse mode in it, unfortunately, and I really wanted to take a time-lapse of my background, and over here the sky is really beautiful, but I'm just gonna try my best taking it. Anyways, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I don't know the time, but turn on the bell notification, and peace out. Masalama. So now many of you guys are gonna be wondering, why did Afnan take all this stuff seriously, and why I'm doing daily vlogs and all this? Because I think this is the perfect opportunity for all of us to execute our plans, because we all are free, to be honest. And I'm seeing here and there, I'm just So I and my sister, we just took before and after, not after but before photo, you know, to do that before and after my body is transformed. It was a topless photo, and you know, my tummy is out. Inshallah, after a month it's gonna be all good to go. So that time I'm gonna show you guys the before and after, and we're gonna compare. And I just want you guys to truly, not for me but for yourself, turn on the bell notification. The reason I'm saying this continuously is because I have some crazy content planned for you guys. I have already written down the topics. I have to do that in the daily vlogs. I'm gonna talk about them. So just keep the bell notification turned on. This is gonna be crazy. And right now the time is 6:30, exactly 6:30, and I have to edit this video too. So